Hi my lovely friends, welcome to the Boo Boo Beauty world. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy face scrub for glowing skin using almond and honey at home from your kitchen. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need is 1 cup of whole almonds, and then we are going to use this to grind into a food processor. Ground almond is a natural exfoliant that can gently remove dead skin cells and reveal a smoother and brighter complexion because it has a lot of vitamin E antioxidant. You are going to blend it up until it is a fine type of dusty pellet. Keep grinding it up until it should look like small pellets. Put the ground almonds into a mixing bowl, and then you're going to add 1/4 cup of raw honey. Honey has natural antioxidants that fight free radicals, which are a leading cause of premature aging. It's also a natural moisturizer that can help soften and hydrate dry skin. Mix up the ground almonds with the honey. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. It will mean the world to me. Thank you! It will turn out to be very thick. Now you will add it in a clean jar for later use. Store it in the fridge up to 2 months. Now it's time to test it. If it is too thick or difficult to spread around, add a little bit of water and it should be easier. Let's wash it off now. It leaves my skin very soft and dewy. If you want another recipe for a face scrub using lemon juice and cane sugar, watch this video next. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Feel free to do so. That way you'd never miss my latest content. Wishing you an amazing day, and I can't wait to catch up with you in my next video. Bye!